Today I'm going to be working on fixing up our mantle for the winter season. As you can see, there's still some fall decorations on there, so those will have to go. And we have a really cold day today here in Ohio. It's actually snowing right now, and I think it's 22 degrees and kind of windy, but I'm going to brave the cold and go outside and get some greens. I want to have some natural greens on the mantle this year. So my vision this year for the mantle is to have a completely natural garland covering the entire thing. I even want it to look kind of messy with, branches and sprigs going in every which direction. I'm going to start out by clipping some things that I know I'll be using. Pretty sure I'll be outside again, collecting more as I work on this. So I didn't get a video of me clipping all of these things, but I'll go ahead and show you what I have so far. You saw me clip this. These are azalea and spruce sprigs. And here I have some willow branches. I wanted to add some sort of twigs, and I know willows are really flexible. I thought that might work. And the multiflower roses get these pretty berries in the wintertime. Thought about adding some of those. I might have to wear gloves when working with them. And here I have some crabapple branches and then wild honeysuckle. At this point, I'm not quite sure what I'll be using. I'm not even sure what I'm doing here, but I'm going to try to start on the bottom of the left side of the mantle, kind of go up along the side, over the top, and just, again, have some little flyaway branches. And I'll probably use these electrical wire hangers with the 2 nails. Probably use these to fasten some of the branches. So here I am the next day. I had plans last night and wasn't able to finish this, but the last thing I want to add to this garland are some lights, and then I also have those cute little red berries and pine cones. You may remember seeing this mirror in my fall thrifting video. I had sanded it down and tried to get it to its original, wood color. And I feel at the time I kind of liked it. I wonder if it changed color as it's been hanging on the wall, because I'm just not fond of this putty color. I think old wood sometimes does that. It'll just kind of change to more of a yellow orangish hue. But anyway, I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. And I have here some Redesign Decor wax. And I got this product from Patterson Art Studio. I've talked about them before on here. They have lots of amazing products on their Etsy shop, so make sure to check them out. But I thought this mirror would be really fitting to have a gold mirror here for the Christmas season especially. I'm also going to apply a decor mold to this mirror. I think this would complete the look that I want. And this is also something that comes from Patterson Art Studio, and they have all kinds of different ones. I even have some Christmas molds. I thought about using one for this mirror, but being that I want it for other seasons, I'll probably just go with this design. I love this casting resin that I started using to pour these molds. I'm an impatient person, and I love the fact that I can use it right away. It sets rather quick, so you have to kind of work fast, but love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure had a lot of fun, going outside and bringing some of the outside indoors for the Christmas season. As I'm filming the ending here, it's about a week later after I actually fixed this up, and it's still looking pretty good. I mean, things have dried out some, which I expected them to. Now the spruce sprigs are probably going to stay the same, so that will provide, some fullness to the garland. But overall, I'm really loving the look. I think it's going to stay nice, during the Christmas season at least. I have a favorite thing I want to show you before ending here. I have this amazing neck wrap. I got it recently recently at a Christmas event that I was, and it's made locally by a lady named Ruth, and she has an Etsy shop. It's called 3rd Street Fashion. I'll have all of the links down below in the description box, but I tell you guys, this is not just your ordinary wrap or heating pad is what I use it for. It can actually also be frozen, but I use it for the heat. This is not just, filled with ordinary rice, which not that there's anything wrong with that, but this is filled with flaxseed and it holds the heat a lot better and longer. And I am just loving it on these cold days, and I often have a stiff neck, so it just feels so good. And this one is filled with not only flax seeds, but also peppermint leaves, and I love the smell of peppermint. She also has other scents available. It was actually hard for me to choose which scent, so I went with what I just loved on the design. I, of course, love flowers, and I thought these wildflowers are so pretty, but she has lots of other great designs too. I heat this for 3 minutes in the microwave. I think the paper that comes with the wrap says 2 minutes, but she had told me in person you're actually allowed to do like 3 minutes if you want it extra hot. You can also use a crock pot or an oven to heat it, and then of course if you want it cold, you use your freezer. Something else that really intrigued me about her business is a certain percent of her proceeds during the month of November and December here are going towards a young couple wanting to adopt. And it turned out this young couple is someone I know quite well. She's my hairdresser. Her name is Allie. They are Allie and Logan, and just the sweetest people. So if you want to support an adoption journey along with an Etsy shop and also have a great neck wrap, make sure to check out that link down below in the description box. And I think this would also make a great Christmas gift idea. As always, I hope your day is going great. I hope you're enjoying the Christmas season we're in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.